Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to prepare another random dessert, and this time Alexa chose a vegan cookbook for me called The Kitchen, and if you don't know about this book, you should check it out. It's amazing. I really enjoy it. So the recipe she chose is something I wouldn't normally do. It's chocolate dipped tangerines, and normally if I have tangerines I just eat the tangerines. Same with chocolate, you can just eat it. But let's see where this takes us. So, in conclusion, this is actually a really nice combination of flavors, so I can recommend it. I wouldn't necessarily make this again unless I'm doing it for some sort of a fancy dinner party with lots of guests where you need some sort of a snack that you can just pick up and eat, because you can pretty much put it on a skewer and just make it one bite. But if you're home alone watching Netflix, you have tangerines and dark chocolate, just melt that chocolate and you don't even have to wait for the chocolate on the tangerine to set. You can just pop it in your mouth and it works. So the flavor combination I recommend. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, press the like button, which is on the other side. Press it and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye!